What's good, YouTube? I am back. So I couldn't find a video to see how to change this water pump because it's making a little squealing noise on my belt. I had first got a new belt on. Just hopefully it was just the belt, but it ended up being one of the pulleys. So what I did was just got some WD-40 or some lubricant, and then just started spraying just a little bit on each pulley, and then it ended up being that water pump that is down there. So I am gonna be changing it today. Here's the new one. I ordered this one from Amazon. It was only like $40 in total, I believe. So today I'm just gonna go kind of step by step. I did skip the part where I got this tensioner off because I needed both hands, but I just got myself like a little cheating bar, the 14 mil. So that little bolt right there is the one that's connected to the belt tensioner. Basically, you just loosen it and you pull towards you, and you should be able to take it off from right here. Just be careful not to strip it. Make sure you use the correct bolt. Mine was a 14. Alright, so I have everything set up right before I take it off. You can see that there's 1 and 2, 3 bolts that you can access here at the top. For mine, there were 10 millimeters. Unfortunately, I can't really show you how exactly it looks with this camera. I'm trying to the best I can, but then I'll show you how the new one looks, and then you'll have access to 3 here at the bottom. So you have the 3, those 3. Those are the ones that you're gonna have access from the top bay, and then you have those 3 at the bottom. These other 2 are gonna be like underneath, or like right above the AC compressor. I did set up also because it is gonna leak coolant, and make sure that you have eye protection because it can happen according to your eyes. I'm not a professional. I'm just showing y'all how I'm doing it on mine, and if you want a similar idea or do it your own, you can. For me, I'm just using this oil drain pan just to catch the coolant, and I'll probably throw it away or recycle it. So I'll show you guys when I take it off. And also I did, when I was taking it off, so it's just gonna cut to this, but these bolts are a different size. If you want to, just have like a piece of paper, cardboard, whatever, like a small little drawing, and then whichever bolt you take out, you put it back into its respectable place, because you don't want to have one sticking out because they're not the same size. Can't take it off, and then the AC compressor down there is in the way. So what I'm gonna do is remove the alternator, so that way I can have easy access. Just, you know, take it off, take it in, because I don't have any access up here. The easiest way, in my opinion, will probably just take this bolt out and the other bolt for the alternator, and I should be able to get access to it. Alright, so I took off the old one already. I am going to be also replacing the O-ring that is, if I can focus, let's see, focus up camera. Alright, there you go. So that little ring, that O-ring, make sure that you do replace that as well. And if you're already here, you might as well. But yeah, so now I was able to take it out because I did, you know, remove the alternator. I just unscrew them, the 2 bolts. The top one was a 12 mil and the bottom one was a 14 mil, and then I unplugged it. And I also unplugged the battery, don't forget about that, so you won't get shocked. And then I just moved it out the way so it can make me space, so I can just take it out. That's the old one. And the new one that I am going to link it in the description does have with the O-ring, and also a couple screws if you ended up, you know, rounding one off and you had to use pliers or something. It does come with 2 long ones and 2 short ones, so you do have those 2. So that's it. I'm gonna just end it with the video of the car just starting up, and yeah, good luck on the do-it-yourself, mechanic man. So at this portion of the video, my microphone ran out of battery because it was so cold outside. But basically, all I did was turn on the vehicle, topped off the coolant, and let it run for a while. While also making sure that the car isn't overheating and having the heater all the way on with the defrost on. And pretty much I just let it run for a couple minutes. If you were like me where it was really cold, I did then took it out to the highway so the thermostat would like turn on, because it was so cold outside that the thermostat wouldn't turn on. And eventually, the coolant was being sucked in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you just keep doing it for up until maybe a good 20 minutes of just checking it back and forth, and just making sure that your car isn't overheating, and you'll be okay.